everyone. I'm back. I'm so excited. I received today my fabfitfun Spring 2019 box. Um, I already peeked in it. I took everything out. I'm going to show you what I got and how much according to the little magazine that comes with the box. And yeah, so first of all, we have here, you could get a choice of one of these three: the Moo robe, the backpack, or the diffuser. I am kicking myself over the head because I did not see the email letting me know that I could customize my box, and I'm kicking myself because I actually wanted that backpack. That's so cute. I got the Moo robe in my box. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't wear robes. It does feel light. The pattern is pretty. It's if you can see it, it's flowers. So floral print robe, but it is rather thin. The material, it's light, it's airy, but it's kind of thin, so you can actually see my fingers. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't wear robes. I have like maybe 2 of them. And if I've used them maybe once each, it's a lot. They should be around my house somewhere in a box. And I'll probably be giving those to going to donate them. I may try this one because according to the catalog it's $84. Kicking myself. I love how that backpack looks, and I could have used it for work. So next thing, you had a choice between these sunglasses, these ones, the aviator ones, a picnic set with forks, knives, spoons, 2 plates, and the Course Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. I would have loved this one. Oh my goodness. I've been looking at sleeping facials. And in the store, they've told me that the souffle types are the best when you have combination skin. When you have like area that is really greasy, another area that is normal, and then another area that is dry in your face. Souffles are good because they're not heavy. They won't look and make your face look all greasy and won't dry them out. Would have loved to get this. I got you got it, the picnic set. I don't go on picnics. I don't have time. I work all day and I work all summer. I don't have time, but let me show you. It comes in a little bag, so you can carry it with you. You have 2 spoons, 2 forks, 2 knives, and 2 plates on this side. I do like that it comes in a little bag, and maybe if I don't use it for a picnic, I can use it for work. And let's see the quality. The handle is it's very light. This side it's a little bit heavier, so let's see if it if it's okay balancing. Nope, it doesn't balance. But I think this will be nice to take to work, and always taking these instead of taking my forks and spoons from my house and then never seeing them again. Next thing on the catalog was a choice of either the copper plated measuring spoons, the body lotion, the mandarin orange and bergamot body lotion, or a mystery item. And I got, let's see, the measuring spoons. I don't know why. I got like, I don't know. Got the measuring spoons, and these are from her line. I may lose them to my daughters. I have two daughters, and they don't like using kids spoons to eat. They use measuring spoons. So I have like maybe 5 sets of measuring spoons, and none of the sets are complete because they use them. They're either in their little baskets of spoons and forks, or they're with their toys somewhere around the house. I don't know how they always are able to take off the ring, and then they take all the spoons out and they use them like for soups, for cereal, for oatmeal, for cream of wheat. They use it to eat blueberries, grapes, everything. So they'll eat everything with measuring spoons. So I'll probably lose these to them. I would have loved to get that. I love body lotions, and the measuring spoons were have a cost of $15. And next, let's see. There was a choice between a necklace, translucent setting powder, or a water bottle, a stainless steel water bottle. And let's see which one that I got. I got the necklace. It's a very thin necklace. And I can, but I don't use thin necklaces because I have a very thick neck. And these necklaces don't look good. They look kind of like chokers on my neck. So they're not a very pretty look for me. I may ask my sister if she wants them. If she wants it, she might. It's a very simple looking necklace. Next up, I would have loved this or this. I don't know about you. I would have loved that. We got a Tula purifying face cleanser. We have a choice of a Daily Concept daily detox brush and a jump rope. That would have been fun. But this is something that I actually am looking forward to use it because, like I said before, I have combination skin on my face. Greasy, dry, normal, little bit of everything, and doesn't matter what kind of cleanser I use on my face, they all dry out my face. They make my dry area on my face extra dry, and then my normal my normal skin section makes it dry, and then the oily part makes it so dry. I don't know how. Let's see how this smells. And it's actually, oh, so I can't smell it. But I am excited about this. This costs $28 according to the magazine. I am excited to try this. I'm always looking for good cleansers that won't dry out my entire face. And then these are things that are in all the boxes, the pink section. Let me see. And I am looking forward to use this, the leave-in conditioner. I always have a problem with conditioners, doesn't matter what type they are. I have very thin hair, so conditioners actually weigh down my hair. It doesn't matter how much I rinse my hair, it always weighed it down. I have two problems: thin hair and oily scalp. That's not a good combination, not good at all. So I always have to be careful what shampoo I use, because either it'll look like I did not wash my hair, or it'll weight it down. Same thing. It looks like I didn't wash my hair. Oh, look all oily and nasty and gross. And I'm looking forward to use this, especially because I do use heat on my hair. But I don't know about the leave-in part. I always have a problem with the regular conditioner. I'll try it on the weekend and see how it looks. I also got the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I'm looking forward to this. This is actually $42. It's a very small tube. It's 0.5 of an ounce. I don't right now, at least up until today, I don't have a problem with dark circles or puffy eyes. And the days that I do have it, that my eyes are puffy, my eyeglasses actually hides it, so no one notices that I'm tired or I haven't slept. Oh wow, this leave-in conditioner costs $26. Whoa. This is what I like about these boxes. You can get quality things, valued over $200, and all the products together, but pay a fraction of that. And we got Mana Kadar. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. Champagne body scrub with charcoal. Champagne charcoal scrub. I'm looking forward to using this. I actually make my own emulsify sugar scrub for my face and for my body, and then I also make emulsify salt scrub for my feet. So it'll be nice to use a commercial one. It depends. Let's see the ingredients. Oh, this is minimal. We have the salt, water, glycerin. Then we have the fragrance, the thickener. We have I think that's the preservative. Is it the preservative? Probably. And then we have the charcoal. Not that many ingredients. So I'm looking forward to using this. See how I like it. And this costs $24, and this 18.34 ounces. Very nice. So it looks like I did get a few things that I might enjoy but I did get things that I'm not too crazy about. Uh, let's see if I can put them. Oops. If I can put them there. So I'm not too crazy about the rope. I'm not too crazy about the measuring spoons because I know I'm going to lose them to my daughters. They're going to probably use them to eat. I'm not too crazy about the necklace because I can't wear those type of necklaces. I'm kicking myself because I did not check my email, or I checked and I never received it. I don't know. I was not able to customize it. I did get my email about being able to add other products to the cart so they can ship with your box, but I did not see that customizing email. I'm kicking myself. And with this box, I don't know about you, but I always get a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. I never use it because it always says claim within 30 days, and I always forget, so I haven't had the chance to try them. I'm going to try and see if I can try them now. Yes. The box does include a code, and it's $50 gift card. So it is $25 off the first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. I'm going to see if I can use that. But one of the things that I'm actually really excited about was the mystery bundles that they had on the website that you could add to your order to ship with your box. They had a $30, I think it was $30 mystery bundle, and this bundle actually included the one that I got. I didn't know what was coming, but it had 4 things, and I'm really excited about them. I got skin care oil. I got a beauty blender, $20 beauty blender. This is so cool. I already have one from, I think it was the fall box, had a beauty blender as part of the box. So I don't know what I'll do with this one. I may keep it, or I may give it to my sister, one of my sisters. I may give that to one of my sisters, and the necklace to another sister of mine. I also got this face oil. I'm hoping that this is good. I have combination skin on my face, like I told you, so it's really difficult to get products that will not make my face too oily or too dry. But I am excited to try this. And I also got in that mystery bundle dry shampoo, and I'm hoping this is good, that it does not make my scalp itch, and it'll help me it'll help my hair look nice and clean. Yes, I would like at least a day of the week not to have to wash my hair because I have an oily scalp, and I have to wash my hair every single day. If not, it looks all gross and nasty, and I can't go to work like that. Another thing that I got, that I bought extra, it was this hand mask. It comes, I think there's 2 of them here, and this was $5, and I bought it because I don't know, ever since I moved to the States, winter is not my friend on my hands. I don't know if I can't focus the camera. Look at that. Look at my hands. It doesn't matter what I put on them. Put lotion, body cream, I put creams, I put like pure shea butter and cocoa butter, and aloe vera butter. I put gloves to go to sleep. I'm trying to use cold water to do the dishes, and every hour and a half to 2 hours I put lotion or cream on my hands, and they look all ugly and dry. And my nails, excuse my nail polish. The only way that I can convince my daughter, my 4-year-old, to have her nails cut and her toenails cut is she'll allow me to do it if I let her paint my nails. And they already look all ugly, so I have to clean them. But look at that, look at my hands, oh my goodness. I'm hoping that this hand mask helps a little bit. But yes, I am excited for the mystery bundle. I didn't think that I would get all of this for $30. This huge. And then I actually have the subscription for the entire year for the fabfitfun boxes, so I still have 2 more left to go. But for next time, I am going to keep an eye on my email because I want to customize it. Yes, this time around, I'm not too happy with some of the things I got because I know I won't use them. So hopefully I can give them away, and they are not going to stay in my house, because if not, I'm going to feel like I wasted my money. But I did get a few things that I think everyone got that I do like: the scrub, the eye depuffer, the leave-in conditioner, and the face cleanser. I will definitely use those. The necklace I'm going to give to my sister. The spoons, my 2 daughters will probably confiscate them to eat soup. And the robe, I don't know about the robe. I'm still debating. Yes, I can see my fingers through it. So I don't know if I want to walk around the house with the robe. Usually when I get out of the bathroom after I shower, I'm already all dressed up. I do not get out of the bathroom without getting dressed. I don't walk around in my towel or anything. I always come out dressed. And the picnic set I'll probably use for work, to take to work. And yeah, so that's it. If you got your fabfitfun box, let me know what was the thing that you love about it, the number one thing that you love, and the number one that you hate or did not like. Let me know also if you were able to customize it and get the things that you wanted from the box. If you got something extra, share with us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye for now.